Hello. You need to find the 10 Charizard.
Find 10 Charizard and you can keep it. Let's go! Charizard ako dito. I got one. One.
Nan po, dun na, dun.
12 na lahat? Eh, dalawa lang yun.
Ano, meron pa dun mga 10.
Sige. 4 na!
Dito naman po.
4 na! Charizard ba ito sa
Wala dyan Charizard, puro card lang. Niligpitin.
Apat na. Wala ako maghanap ng... Naggastos ako ng isang hint.
Hindi po.
Came out in 2018, and this phone's a really good progression because it was pretty much fixing.
Uy, ito! Yay! Challenge completed.
Meron pa po.
Yan pa din.
Hindi po.
They came out with the white color, and this
Lalo ko makatangkat
and the
ang
reason
dahil.
they came up with it like this is because it's
Nakatago.
black knob because they just couldn't figure out how to get rid of it, so they just made a black knob.
Sa buong bahay po.
Lalagyan. Ay, ito! Ito kaya yun! Finish na, complete na.
Hindi pa po.
2019,
Nandito sa buong bahay.
Maghanap tayo ng Charizard, guys.
Apo.
and of course the iPhone.
Hindi naisip ko na kasi nakakaya pumasok na siya ng iba.
Okay lang po yun.
Definitely a good upgrade.
Nasa ano, kahit tingin po kayo dun.
All new iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 came out in
Sobrang hirap magpahanap ha. Kompleto na din. Hawakan.
Meron pa po.
we all
Ilan ba lahat yan?
COVID at 19.
Iisay niya po yung lahat. Pag nanap po.
It's a very unfortunate time for society. Everyone was stuck at home watching Tiger King for some reason. This is the time when we're finally seeing the iPhone get thinner. I think this is when they got rid of the block. Maybe that's why the box is so thin now because there's no block. We got the iPhone, so much like less.
Wait na nga.
Zero to po ulit.
Turo mo na. Talo na ako.
Nandito po. Ito po.
What?
Tsaka po dito. Dito sa loob dito.
What? Grabe ka naman. Sino ba na makakaisip na nandiyan yung Pokemon? Talo ako.
Dalawa na lang po yan eh.
Kung naman nagkapa-challenge sa'yo, babawihan kita.